In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and doing good at home. This is our second lecture of Countdown book. Today we will do our written work of page number 3 and 4. Look at the page number 3. In this page we will understand the concept of shapes. Firstly, prepare your sketch. Write C.W in the middle of the line and also write date on corner on the specific date. Let's begin our exercise. Look at all these shapes. Now I will tell you the name of shapes: circle, oval, cone, cube, cuboid. Now look at all these colors name. अब हम इन शेप्स में वो कलर करेंगे जो यहाँ मेंशन है. We will do red color in circle, pink in oval, yellow in cone, blue in cube and green in cuboid. Here is a boy and a girl. She is saying, "Happy birthday, Amir." Here are a lot of things on the table with their different shapes. अब हम इन शेप्स को देखकर इनमें कलर्स करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी डू रेड कलर इन सर्कल. लेट्स फाइंड आउट द शेप्स ऑफ सर्कल. लुक एट दिस केक. देयर आर डॉट्स above the cake and also the upper part of cake. They are in the shape of circle. Look at these birthday caps. They also have dots in circle shape. Now look at these marbles. They are also in the shape of circle. These balloons are also in the shape of circle. Color all these shapes in red. Now let's find the shapes of oval. Drum and the lower part of cake are in the shape of oval. Do pink color in these shapes. Let's find the shape of cone, cube and cuboid. These are the shape of cones. Do yellow color in these shapes. This is the shape of cube and a cuboid. Color them by yourself. Let's start our written work. Fill in boxes. Amir got dash gifts. Let's count. 1, 2. Amir got 2 gifts. So the answer is 2. We write 2 in the box. Next, Amir's hat has dash dots. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. We write 8 in the box. Amir is dash years old. Let's count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amir is 5 years old. So we write 5 in the box. Saima's hat has dash dots. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, Amir got dash marbles. Let's count the marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Write 4 in the box. 3 are done. 2 are left. Do these by yourself. Look at the page number 4. In this page, we will find the same pairs of shape. Prepare your sketch. Write H.W in the middle of the line and also write the date on corner on the specific day. In each row that are the same. Same shapes को आपने टिक करना है हर एक रो में. Then color these shapes और फिर उन shapes में कलर करने हैं. One has been done for you. एक आपको करके दिखाया है. Look at these shapes. these are the same shapes. So आपने अपनी मर्जी से इनमें कोई भी कलर करना है, like this. First you cover the boundary and then color in the center. इसी तरह आपने सेकंड शेप में भी कलर करना है. Now look at the next row. These are the same shapes of cubes. First we take them and then color them by yourself. In the next row, these are the same shapes of cuboid. First we take them, then color them by yourself. Now moving to next. 3 are done, 2 are left. Do these by yourself. Now this is your home task. Do homework page number 3 and 4. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.